Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Steffi Drew. I hope you guys are all...
Hi friends.
Oh, this is my boyfriend. Do you want a name?
No.
My nameless boyfriend. I've talked about you before. And you've been in videos before, so if you're not new, then...
I'm new.
I hope everybody is doing well, staying safe, keeping your hands washed. Yeah, we've been at home for a solid 2 weeks now, and we've been doing some projects and trying to keep ourselves busy. One of the things that we have done is actually trying not to show the dirty dishes on the counter. So we've painted our walls. Our walls were like this taupe color. I can show you a before and after actually by showing you where we've run out of paint. So our walls were like this kind of mauvey taupe color, and we wanted to brighten things up because that color literally absorbed air. That color absorbed air. That color literally absorbed light and did nothing for like keeping the room bright when there's not always that much light in here. So we painted it all white on this side of things. So nice and bright and white. And so our entertainment unit, I'm trying to get the best view of our apartment. So our entertainment unit is on this wall. Our couch is over here on this wall. And my plan, literally for probably years now, since we've been here, I want to turn this wall into an accent wall just to like keep it a little bit interesting. And so I've had my eye on these for a while. They're like sticky foam square pieces that look like white brick. So today we're going to do that wall. We're going to measure everything out. First we have to like move everything, take everything off the wall, wash the wall so that there's nothing getting in the way or keeping it from sticking. And yeah, so today we're gonna brick our wall.
Brick wall.
So I'll show you guys, I'll put the before actual photo so you guys can see it. Also I got dressed because it's Friday and I got new things in the mail, so outfit courtesy of ASOS Tall. Yep, this is the before.
Smash the actor.
We've already run into our first problem.
Our wall is so crooked.
We live in a very...
That looks pretty level. And that's like...
So we just have to take a little off the far top right corner.
Right.
Essentially. We live in a very old house, so most of the walls are not 90 degrees. Okay. So far, so good. We're actually just going to cut small pieces rather than cut the big pieces out to fill that gap because we think it's going to be easier, and we'll do that later.
Because we got all these little extra pieces.
So to make a more seamless like seam, we've cut out those notches and then we're just going to like puzzle piece those notches into these notches, if that makes sense. That way there's not like one seam.
So you're gonna cut this one?
Yeah. And then they'll just slide right in. Dun, da, da, da. Also, if there is anybody, they seem to be sticking fairly well. We like washed the wall so that there wasn't any dust or anything on the wall and nothing that would keep it from sticking. But if anybody is super interested in these, by the time the video is done, I'll make sure I put a link to the specific one that I bought. There's multiple versions all over Amazon. They're also available, I saw on Walmart.com from a few different brands, and then also Wayfair.ca. These ones were the best deal that I found at the moment. That being said, things can probably change. But this is the box that they came in. In Sunray brick wallpaper. But yeah, I'll make sure I put a link to the one I bought down below. But anyways, I have to go back outside so I can cut out some more notches, and then we're gonna start puzzle piecing the rest of the wall together. Yeah, we flipped it upside down. Oh, we ended up cutting one strip out.
Right. You have to cut one strip out.
So that somehow some of these bricks have managed to be...
You gotta cut it.
Where did that gap come from? We don't know.
So we cut this here and then we just shift these over.
Yeah. Oh, there's two. Okay. So we'll cut right there this time instead.
And then we shift those two over.
Okay. Not finished, but not bad. We're gonna move our furniture back. Okay, the furniture is back. And if you cut out like that section, it looks so nice. We have to put our little terrariums back, but I need to redo them because they had dead plants in them. So overall, I would say very, 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 very pleased. It is a little bit finicky, and when you're like cutting out the little notches so that they fit together like puzzle pieces instead of just slapping them on side by side, it does leave a little bit of room for some shifting and for things to not quite fit as seamlessly. That being said, because it is kind of like a foamy material, they're a little bit malleable, so you are able to kind of like manipulate them a little bit. But yeah, so it's not finished, and I will post like official before and afters on my Instagram, but I'll post a link down below because I would definitely recommend, and we have to buy more anyways, to finish that part over the door and that little piece of wall right where that poster is. So we will be buying more, but this was a good day project, and I think it looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I think it looks nice. Also did a little bit of an oops, and we didn't really, so initially, we live in an old house, I said that earlier, and all the walls are like not 90-degree angles. So over here, it's kind of hard to see with the shadow, but it just gets a little bit wider and wider as the floor goes down. And we didn't really think about it, but we didn't notch out this side because we figured we'd just put it in. But yeah, that's not gonna work out. So we have to figure all that side out. But yeah, there's just like little edges that we'll have to fill in with scraps. And can I go widescreen? Oh, there we go. But I think it looks so pretty. Oh, it was fist bump?
No, it was thumbs up.
I hope you guys enjoyed our little day project. Even though it's not entirely finished, make sure you follow me on Instagram so that at some point when it's fully finished, you can see the final product. But yeah, it was fun. It was gray outside. We weren't gonna do anything out on the patio anyway, so.
So tired from a hard day laying
Oh,
bricks.
such a long day laying bricks.
Laying bricks.
It was really hard work, heavy
You guys want
lifting.
bricks? I got bricks.
Real heavy lifting. Anyways, that is it. That is all. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, become a member of the Drew Crew family, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.